Hello, this is Edward Ojambo, the webmaster for ojamboshop.com. Ojambo.com has a great article on adding a lightbox for your images on your website. The lightbox is a Jquery plugin called Slimbox. One scenario would be opening thumbnails on the website and a lightbox for individual images. The link is www.ojambo.com/image-jquery-lightbox. A working version of Lightbox is located at www.ojambo.com/image-jquery-lightbox. You can also visit ojamboshop.com for templates for Zencard, WordPress, Joomla, and other content management systems. In order to follow along with this story, the following tools are required. Graphical package to resize images are recommended. Jquery and Slimbox 2 plugin. Text editor for creating and modifying the website header, HTML information web server, HTML knowledge of images to be served. I'll be running an Apache web server locally and will be using Bluefish as the IDE with Firefox to view the output. Two options will be shown to resize images. Go to Jquery, www.jquery.com, and also Slimbox 2, that will be www.gitalia.be/software/slimbox2. Okay, so in order to begin, we're going to create a folder called image Ojambo image Jquery Lightbox 0007 on the server. Then we're also going to create a folder inside it called images. This will hold all our images. I've already created an image beforehand, which I'll use as an example. Also create a folder to hold our JavaScript files such as Jquery and the Slimbox 2. So you just all you do is you put the downloaded files into the into the JavaScript folder. Then images, that you just put the sample image. Okay, now the first option to resize the images is simply we use gthumb, which comes with GNOME. Just right click on it and open with gthumb. And we click on the image and we'll go to tools, resize images, and we'll select 100 width. The original image is about 419 by 419 pixels. So what we want to do is we want to rename the resized image just thumbnail. So this will help our lightbox know which one to use. There's a little bug while I'm doing the screencast. It doesn't show up properly, but it was created. So the next option for creating thumbnails is actually very easy. Just use Bluefish. Use the multi-thumbnail tab, and we go by width. So we'll make keep aspect ratio, make it 100. Press OK, and then you find the folder where your images you want to resize are. You highlight the images you want, and then automatically it resize for you, and I'll show you where you go. Or you even put the name thumbnail at the end. Okay, let's begin. Just make an index.html file. Just change some information here. So the title will be ojambo.com space lightbox space test. Then we also need to add our JavaScript files, the ones that we downloaded. So the first one we need to add is the jQuery itself. So this is simply just a script tag, and the type is text // JavaScript, and its source is obviously the folder we made, which is js slash, and the actual name of the file is jQuery -1.42 min. It's a minified version .js. Okay, and then make sure we have the closing tag, the script tag. There's also one more script we're using. For the actual gallery, it's the Slimbox 2. So so it's another type with text JavaScript, and the source is also the same folder, which is js and slash slimbox2.js. Excuse me. Then finally we can start. We go into the body. We just use a h1 tag header, and a heading tag, and we just call it ojambo.com test for Lightbox. And for this demonstration, I'm going to use a table, so I can use the same image over and over again. Or I'll just use one image for now, just to show you. So create a table, and the table needs some rows. I'll just use one row just as an example. Just the tr tag for the row. And inside that row, there's one cell. It's a td. Now, so we need to reference the actual image itself before it's resized. And the big image itself was Ojambo image Jquery Lightbox 007, and it was in the images folder. And there's a ping file, and then we need to have a rel tag, to reference. The reference is Lightbox profile. So this is how Slimbox will know. So we use profile. If we had a lot of images, if we use profile, all the images with the Lightbox profile will be put in the same, like for example gallery, you can view them all at the same time. And then we also need the image, which people see, the small thumbnail image. So for that we'll use an image tag, and its source will be, it's the same, it's in the same folder. It's images, and we have two thumbnails we made. There are two different options, so I'll use the second option, which from Bluefish. That's where it adds the thumbnail at the end of the name of the file, at the end of the file. And we make the width 100 and the height 100. So our cell does have the closing tags, and our row also has the closing tags. Our table already has the closing tags. So when you put the width and the height, do not put the pixel sign px. It's automatic. You just have to put the width and the height. But if you use it in CSS, you have to put the pixel tag. So now just a little error I made, just spelling fix. Now we test it. All you do is just click on the image. There's only one, so that's why only one of them shows up. So the process of adding Lightbox to your website is easy. A resized image can serve your current needs for making your site unique. I hope you find this information useful. Please visit ojambo.com and leave feedback.